I stand for justice, equality, and freedom. My name is Wevin Muganda. I am a Kenyan, a human rights activist, and a peace builder. Currently, I work with the Global Network of Women Peace Builders as a Cora Wise Peace Building Fellow. I am vying for the position of Vice Chairperson, Inclusion and Engagement at the Commonwealth Youth Council. I believe that meaningful participation of young people is critical for their empowerment and development. As we say, there is nothing for us without us. This is why I hope to take up this position and ensure that every Commonwealth process, every global decision-making process is inclusive of all young people in informal settlements, rural areas, young LGBTQIA, young refugee. For the past 4 years, I have spent my time working with young people from across different parts of the world in different engagement and empowerment programs. In Rwanda, I was involved in increasing literacy amongst young women and girls in the rural village of Musanze. During my time working as the Programs Coordinator for Haki Africa, a national human rights organization, I was involved with youth programs, specifically in preventing young people from violent extremism, in involving them in the development of the Mombasa County Action Plan for Preventing and Countering Violent Extremism, in educating them on their rights, and in organizing. I have been able to organize different protests and different initiatives that have centered young people and put them at the front of their empowerment. Through my initiative Beyond the Lines, I've been able to engage with over 500,000 young people from across the world in the past 3 years alone on different issues, specifically in regards to peace and security. I believe that active citizens are the way to developing our society and solving all our problems. Additionally, I had an initiative called Kauli Zetu Mtaani, which is a Swahili phrase for our opinions in the hood. And through this initiative, I was able to have one-on-one discussions with young people from informal settlements and young people in conflict-affected regions in Mombasa and empower them and enlighten them so that they too can participate in decision-making processes in their communities. When the pandemic hit, my friend and I, Suhail, came up with Mutual Aid Kenya, a COVID-19 response initiative targeting families in Mombasa and Nairobi. This initiative was community-led, community-funded, and community-informed. Every decision we made was because of what the people wanted, and this is what I hope to do with this position, to include you in every process to the end. And currently, I am working with the Global Network of Women Peace Builders, supporting young women in conflict-affected countries such as Bangladesh, Myanmar, DRC, enhancing their capacity to be leaders and also involving them in global, national, and local decision-making processes. These experiences have given me the right information, the right skills, and the right knowledge for this position. By vibing, I mean to increase your visibility through digitization. As you know, the internet is everything right now, especially during a crisis. Young people need to be able to access digital spaces, to have the skills to maneuver through digital spaces, and to ensure that these spaces are safe and conducive for youth empowerment. I also hope to include every young person from every part of the Commonwealth in decision-making processes, in programs, in initiatives, and to push for your national governments to include you as well in their initiatives. I also hope to build synergies and encourage sharing of information and resources amongst young people and the Commonwealth officials. We need to be able to speak amongst each other and to speak with other officials, tell them how we are feeling, collaborate and partner to be able to build a stronger Commonwealth. I also hope to advocate for equality and justice as part of my manifesto. And finally, we cannot engage and we cannot include if our human wants and needs are not taken care of. This is why protection, security, and freedom of all young people across the Commonwealth is my priority. Vibe with Wevin.
For Wevin in the upcoming Commonwealth Youth Council elections for the role of Vice Chair for Inclusion and Engagement. I was there in Sri Lanka at the founding of the Youth Council, and I know that Wevin will be a fantastic member of the executive team. Wevin knows exactly what it's like for young people on the ground as they emerge from COVID-19. But she's also got all the skills needed to fight for them at the international level. So at this election, I'm asking you to vote for Wevin.
I've known Wevin for close to 2 years now, and I must say that she possesses the quality kind of leadership skills that is needed for the world today. She's very thoughtful and very resourceful. She has the skills to be able to make case for young people, not only in Africa, but around the world. I urge the voters around the world to vote for Wevin.
Wevin is a very diligent and hardworking person, and having worked with her, I believe that her leadership skills would really help contribute a lot to this position within the Youth Council. So vote for Wevin.
I first met Wevin during the Global Citizenship Youth Leadership Workshop in Seoul, South Korea, where I found her to be super enthusiastic and driven for the betterment of her community. I believe her leadership will take her to accomplish the responsibilities that are aligned with the Vice Chair, Inclusion and Engagement of the Commonwealth Youth Council. So I vouch for her to be elected for the role, and vote for Wevin. Wevin ke vote din.
So pleased to be supporting Wevin in her bid to be Vice Chair of Inclusion and Engagement at the Commonwealth Youth Council. Wevin has a proven track record in her advocacy for peace and justice for young people across the world. I've had the pleasure of working with Wevin over the last year at the United Nations and in international forums, and I can say with full confidence that Wevin is up to this job. Wevin has always proven to me that she is the best fit for inclusion and diversity and knows and understands the nuances that comes with it. Vote pour Wevin.
Commonwealth Youth Council needs someone who is willing to listen to every young person and prioritize the inclusion and engagement of each as though the future of the Commonwealth depends on it. You need a leader you can relate to and one you can trust. What you need is a leader who truly cares and puts your needs first. Let me be that person. Vote for me for the position of Vice Chair, Inclusion and Engagement at the Commonwealth Youth Council, and let's vibe.